Bridget, one of the key austerity measures it seems that people are employing is budget cutting.
Well, Mark, desperate times do call for desperate measures, and what we're going through right now is no exception, rather. And Kenyan households are being forced to pinch on their finances due to the uncertain economic times brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, because in reality, nobody knows what the future holds. Take a look. Every time Jane Lynette Adhiambo walks through the aisles at this local supermarket, the choice of what to buy is often premeditated and within a tight budget. For this primary school teacher, the arrival of COVID-19 and the resultant government directives have altered life as she knew it.
You know, now things have to change. Your program has to change, your working time has to change, your shopping has to change, your budget has to change, the way you feed has to change, everything has to change. Because now, you know, when we stopped going to school, ilibidi sasa tukae nyumbani. Yeah, now I'm here with my girl not going to school. I'm here with my house girl, everybody is in the house. Sasa ni kuangaliana. And at the same time, you still have to provide.
It is that provision of daily needs that is bogging down not only Jane Lynette, but millions of families across the country whose income streams have been affected. Stocking up supplies might be a solution, but no one knows how long this will last.
No matter how much you shop and put things in the house, if the lockdown continues and you keep eating, they will still reduce. And it might reach a point where all your stock is gone. It's lockdown. What will you do? So it still will be bad.
But could it be that staying home and limiting expenditure on entertainment and other public activities is helping to save more? Jane Lynette says, as long as the future remains uncertain, financial prudence through austerity is the way out.
I've tried to at least take away more of the luxuries. They now don't have to eat what they want, but now they have to eat what we budget for. They have to eat what we have cooked. They have to eat what is there.
Experts agree that home economics has changed significantly in these times, but it is both a lesson and an opportunity, they say.
We only talk of hand to mouth, simply because we have not sat and looked at what we are taking home keenly and have a budget for the same. It is sufficient. You can get some money to be saved.
Even as government puts in place measures to cushion Kenyans from the economic shockwaves of this pandemic, it is clear that not every Kenyan will be reached in the manner they had wished. And so, for Jane Lynette and others like her, one has to make tough, cost-cutting decisions before looking to the state. Now, there are those people whose sources of income or whose finances have been depleted and their avenues for generating income have been terminated. And most people are going back to their contingency plans, and that is saving.